Hey YouTubers, this is my 2002 Nissan Xterra. I've got a AutoZone glass pack on it, and this is just a sound test for you guys. See what it might sound like on your Xterra or Frontier or something that's got a similar engine. There you have it. I think I got this for like $45 or something like that at AutoZone, and I just clamped it in. I didn't weld it or anything. There's a little bit of a leak on it, so I might be welding it in soon. But yeah, quick, easy mod to change the sound of your Xterra a lot.